At last, my new filter came. So this is a replacement filter for the ice and water on your fridge. This does cover all of the major brands. I have a KitchenAid. This is the recommended filter to get, and mine takes the number 2. Let me get it out of the packaging and we'll do an install. So my filter is up in the top. I just simply press that, I twist, and pull this one out. Here's my new filter. Oh, I did get a little water there. So I had the paper towel. So now I take off the top, and I'm simply going to match up the little notch there, put it in, turn. Easy breezy. Put the top back on, and it's beeping. Let's look at the front. All right, it is recommended to flush about 4 gallons of water through this. So I'm going to fill this up several times to get rid of the cloudy water. I want this to fill. So I'm just going to do this quite a few times to get this filter flushed out, so then my water will taste fresh, crisp, and clean, just like I expect it to. So again, this is the Whirlpool Everydrop refrigerator ice and water filter, and it is the number 2 filter.